Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use Chroma key in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page of Pixlr where we can get started with logging into our account. In the upper right corner, if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by the main page right here where we can get started with opening up the photo editor right here. So go ahead and open up the photo editor, which is going to open up this new menu of options where we can get started with opening up the image we want to use. After opening up your image, I already have it right here, it's going to open it up in this new menu where we can get started, and at the left side of the screen we can see the toolbar with all the options and facts that we can start using for our image. So guys, let's go and see how to use the chroma key option. Basically guys, if you want to find a chroma key, it's going to be right here if you need it, in the left side of the screen. At the toolbar option we have the option to change our elements, we can add elements we want, we have the drawing option and the retouching option, so you can use all of the options right here that you have, as well as the filter that's going to enable you to add the desired filter and effect that you want to use. So under the effects you can go ahead and find the effect that you want to use that's going to remind you the most of chroma key. And after adding your chroma key guys, you can even go to the adjust option right here. In the adjust option you can change the color of your image, of the project, and so on, and you can find all the details that you can use for your image to get the desired effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.